Hi everyone, it's Louise with Louise McKay Art, and I am back to try to get some cloud pearl pouring on today. I've got my my base coat, and I'm only going to go with one today, so I'm going to do something a little different. You can see the thin consistency like I've been harping before. I'm going to pour a cup with my cloud puddle colors, and then I'm just going to do a slow wandering pour, and then I'm going to stretch it out and see what happens. So that's my Prussian blue, my Payne's gray. This is my Modern Masters pearl. This is my Prussian blue. I'll probably do a couple layers of this. My pearl sea green. My gold. I'll call all these out in specific description below. My mostly Bordeaux red. And copper from Modern Masters. Just put a little shake of the base coat in there. Back to gray. Pearl. My blue. And green. This is probably more than enough paint. Gold. This is a 3-ounce cup. I probably have 2 ounces in there. I want to have some negative space too. Probably should have started with the white. So let me end with the white at least. All right, so let me sit this down. Still on an angle. And I'm just gonna pour a little, I'm gonna pour it on an angle. A little base coat to start. So it has something to start on. Okay, here we go. Okay, let's see. Well, this is pretty interesting. I wonder if I have enough paint already. I probably do. Let's see how far it goes. Okay, it's starting to roll over itself, so I'm going to go back. You see over here how it started to roll over. Very slowly, slowly. Don't go yet. Okay, so I'm going to add a little more paint. This is so thin, I should probably just have it in a squirt bottle. I'm hoping I'll get some kind of pearl effect on this. And this is just a little canvas top, 8 by 10. I just wanted a little tiny one just to see how this works. Plus I need to practice with my straight pour, so kill 2 birds with 1 stone on this one. All right, so here you see that I've picked up the pace again. You don't need to see me laying down paint all over the top of this. So I just pick up the pace so that you can get the idea without having to spend all the time. And then I'm going to go back to tilting as soon as I get all the paint laid down. So as I'm tilting here, I am deliberately trying to keep some negative space, which ultimately gets consumed by pearls anyway. And then another thing that I had mentioned in regular time is at the back of this canvas top, I have added a little piece of rolled upon itself tape so that it's taped to the canvas and making like a little finger loop for me to stick my fingers through as I'm tilting the canvas back and forth, so I don't have to touch the sides. It's just a canvas top, so it's just an easy way of getting control over the canvas since there are no real sides on it. Yeah, all I did is take a piece of tape, double it, double-side it. Well, I'm just going to stand here and look at this for a minute while I clean up. I have never done anything like this before. I want to see how far these pearls go. Cover up my paints too. So here you can see I'm picking up the pace again. I'm just cleaning up, putting the tops back on the paint so they don't dry out, while I'm basically just waiting for time to go past and see how these pearls develop. I like this. That's interesting. Do I have anything going on in this red? I'm being very patient here because I'm not sure what to expect with this. All I'm doing is just going with the paint. Paint's already given me the suggestion. I'm just playing with it. Seem to still be getting pearls. This recipe is a potent pearl developer. It's pretty potent, as I've got pearls on all sides here. Give it a torch and see what we get. I don't think I like the gray in the middle. I think that should be on the outside, like framing everything. Okay, let me give you a close-up of where we are right now, and I'm gonna let it sit for a little while. Not like anything I've done before. I might play around with this a little more. I'll be back in a little bit. I'm gonna let the camera run. All right, we are at almost an hour. So I'm going to shut off the camera and let this sit and dry. I am amazed at how much it's changed since the beginning. And now I have ideas of something to do for the next time. All right, thanks everyone, take care.